For those of you who experience attending church camps, very common to sa mga students. Diba? Usually, it happens during summer. Yung church, mag-organize ng camp, pupunta sa malayo, and then focus on God in those 3 to 4 days. Usually, ang mga camps, 3 to 4 days yan. Now, common comments ng mga tao na umattend ng mga church camps na to is, they felt much closer to God. They felt intimate with God in those 3 to 4 days. Feel na feel ko si God doon sa church camp. Marami naka-experience niyan. 'Di ba? Ang tanong, bakit? I-connect natin to sa topic natin for today. Why did you feel closer to God? Why did you sense God while you were in the church camp? Kasi when you were in the church camp, yung program nung camp, meron silang direct control of what you pay attention to. Kasi may rules and regulations dun eh. Kontrolado nila yung time mo, kontrolado ng mga organizers yung mga bagay na dapat mo lang isipin. And in those church camps, pag umattend ko sa mga yan lang lagi yung mga iisipin nyo for the next 3 to 4 days. Pagising mo pa lang sa umaga, it's all about God. May prayer na. Okay? You think about God, you talk about God's faithfulness, afterlife, mag-small group kayo, makikinig kayo kay pastor, may film showing kayo about God, meron kayong small group discussion, so on and so forth. Araw-araw nangyayari yan for the next 3 to 4 days. Ito ang laman ng attention ninyo. Anong sabi natin? The more you pay attention to these things that are unseen, things about the spiritual world, ano nangyayari? Tumataas ang spirituality. Kaya maraming tao kapag nasa church camp, they feel closer to God. They sense the presence of God. Sense na sense mo na ang Diyos kasama mo. Why? Because ito yung laman ng attention mo. Diba? So, ang nangyayari, kapag araw-araw, lagi mong iniisip yan, i-zoom in natin yan, ano nagiging consequence yan na maganda, tumataas ang spirituality. Ulitin natin, the more you pay attention to those things, spiritual matters, sumasabay dyan yung pagtaas ng spirituality. Now you sense God. Now you become more intimate with God. In contrast, pagbaba mo ngayon ng Manila, halimbawa, galing ka sa Baguio, doon ginawa yung church camp, ano ngayon nangyayari? Baliktad na naman. Babalik ka na naman sa old ways mo wherein you pay attention to worldly matters. Kasi wala nang structure yung oras mo eh. Manonood ka na naman ng TV, magsasurf ka na naman ng internet, sasama ka na naman sa mga ungodly friends mo, so what happens? Iba na naman laman ng attention mo. So ano ngayon ang mangyayari? Yung closeness mo kay God, yung intimacy mo kay God, bababa. From high spirituality, it becomes low spirituality. Because the more you pay attention to these things, anong epekto? Lalagpak yung spirituality mo. You see? Yun yung contrast nun. Kaya, yung mga tao, when they remember the church camp, maalala nila, that was the time they felt really close to God. Pagbaba nila ng church camp, wala na namang control yung attention nila. Worldly matters na naman, they feel God is far away from them.